Do you want to be a data analyst, or do you want a promotion in your company and are Googling online courses to master this skill? Then look no more, because today I am going to share a top-graded organization for data analytics courses for data-driven approach to get mastery in decision-making. Datalytics Consultant offers specialized training in data analysis tools accompanied with advanced data analytical skills from Microsoft-certified trainers. Our students master the skills of Power BI, MS Excel, Python, SQL, Microsoft Office through our case study-based and tailor-made courses. Our expert trainers will guide you in one-on-one interactive classes and assess your capabilities from time to time through quizzes and assignments. Our founder and Microsoft-certified Power BI data analyst, Ghulam Mustafa, will personally guide you in the online sessions, making you a data analyst and visualization expert to make you stand out in international market. We have worked with more than 50 companies and trained 1,500+ students throughout the world. So, it's time to update your resume by adding a prestigious certificate of Datalytics Consultant. Join us today to become a top-rated data analyst expert. You can also contact us through Facebook or LinkedIn. Datalytics Consultant. Data analysis is the future, and the future is now.